Os y neb yn gallu gwneud i'r bêl neb yn nhw isio. Be all Bradley wneud ar draws y gol? Cyffyrddiad oedd hi angen. Dim byd arall nath o'n ardderchog. Mae'r bêl gan Ben Clark yn y cyfamser. A Ben Clark mewn at Thomas! A mae Thomas yn cael ei rwystro gan Josh Tibbert. A mae Josh Tibbert yn yr prif resymer dyddiau yma pam nad ydy'r Bala yn ildio goliau. Thomas heibio i Mendes. Gadael i Brookwell. Brookwell yn mynd i hun. Ar y droed chwech! No, am ymdrech fendigedig. Bradley, mae yna edrych, mae yna holi, mae yna stilio ddoth y bêl i lawr oddi ar y bar.
Mae'n taflu ysgwyd i'n ffordd, dod yn ôl drwy chwyd, ac o'r gol, ac siapio i'r gornel bell yna.
Mendes. Mendes! Pam ddim, nath ei chymryd i'n gynnar a dyna oedd y gobaith gorau o'r pellter yna. Smith. Henry Jones. Y cyffyrddiad na o Gorin. Yr amddiffynwr yn ddigon. Nawr te. Och. O fe edrychodd Cheryl Foster tuag at y dyfarnwr cynorthwyol.
Do.
Fe syllon nhw ar ei gilydd.
Pwy fedrydd cadw i nerf.
Cyfle. Venables! Rhowch hanner cyfle i'r dyn yma. Robles yn creu, Venables ar gol. I unfed gol ar 15 o'r tymor, mae o'n nôl yn gyfartal fel prif sgoriwr yr uwch gyngrair. Fedrwch chi ddim rhoi lle fel na i Venables. Mae honna'n bas hyfryd gan Venables. A Henry Jones. Wel. Be mae o'n feddwl? Oedd na gyfle fanna. A fyddech chi am gael neb o'n Henry Jones i fanteisio'r y bas hyfryd na gan Venables ar i'r golwr allan yn dda iawn. Mae calonau cefnogwyr Caernarfon yn ei gyddfe nhw. Y bêl at Jamie Breeze. Mae di troi! Mae di argydio! A mae di gorfodi arbediad. Ar ei orau. Dyna fo ar ei orau.
Leo Smith yn fan hyn, pêl bach, pynsio i mewn fod allan i droed. Oedd hi'n ongl rydyn i fynd ar draws y golwr felly, oedd o'n gorau mynd am bwer.
Gwachod i Leo Smith yma fa. Maen nhw'n chwilio amdano fo yn y canol, jyst ar wylod y sgrin yma na.
Ia. Fo sy'n cael yr ergyd! Oedd hi ar y bar! Ac arbediad da! Ac yna diwedd mae Breeze yn rhoi fi fewn! A mae Caernarfon di cael ei gol! Am gol ar cyfan yn deillio o glyfrwch o gryf. Clyfrwch wedi ymarfer o flaen llaw. Ac dwi am ofyn i Owain Tudur Jones be di'r hife tocynne loteri y pen wthnos yma.
Wel, OTJ yn rhagweld beth i digwydd yn fan hyn. Dwi'n bod yn gwylio nhw'n y cae ymarfer wythnos yma.
Nawr te, mae ganddo ni 7 munud lle alle unrhyw beth ddigwydd. Dyna faint mae'n ei olygu. Ac yn gyffredinol, da chi ryw deimlo falle bod Caernarfon yn heiddi bod yn gyfartal. Mendes, Venables, dio ddim yn camsefyll. Venables! A mae Venables di sicrhau'r fuddugoliaeth i'r Bala. Fe ath Mendes ar ei luniau ac wedyn ar ei wyneb. Mae yna protestio bod yna drosedd di bod yng nghanol y cae. Mae'r Bala yn anwybyddu'r cyfan. A Venables eto. Venables di'r dyn.
Ti'n meddwl bod hi'n drosedd no?
Na, dydw i ddim. Dydw i ddim, di gweld ti eto o'n agos o fyna rwan. Nath o'i fyny, nath Mendes troi gefn, os am drosedd yna, ond cymryd dim byd o wrth y boi ma. 34 oed, i ail gol o'r noson, y gwahaniaeth rhwng y ddau dyn, ac y sgil i fynd heibio un, a wedyn troi, heibio Nathan eto, ac yn ergyd ar y droed chwith tro ma. Pwer trwy coesau'r amser y gol.
Colin, congratulations on that one. We spoke before the game about you not having won at the Oval before, but you did that tonight.
Yeah, it was good. I think it's the first time they've been beaten. The credit to the crowd and credit to the club. they're a really tough opposition, but you know the game should have been dead and buried. Nathan Craig's got to be sent off by the decision that Sheddle's let go, and that changes the outlook of the game, and then they go and score. But when you've got the class of Chris Venables on the pitch, you know, to score the 2 goals he has, the second one's an absolutely fantastic goal, and deserves to win any game.
And how important was this victory as well, given that they've got to come to you to Maes Tegid on Monday now?
Yeah, it's a massive victory. You know, psychologically, it's difficult to play to a team twice over such a short space of time. But we've got to be better than that. We weren't good enough. You know, lads have not turned up today. They've got to be better, and we'll work on it in training. And there'll be a few harsh words in there, even though we've won. Sorry.
Sean, I know you're disappointed with that one.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard really to control the emotion, really, to be fair. I think it was emotionally charged. You know, we got lively on the sideline, but, you know, within reason. You know, we've spoken there as a group, you know, just about whether we could have prevented their second goal anyway prior to sort of Griff going down. But even so, he's gone down. It's a head injury. You know, again, I'm not making any excuses because I think 10 minutes before Nathan should have been sent off anyway. But it's a head injury, so I mean the last time I checked the game was stopped just in case. You know, it's more serious than first thought, like, to be honest. Obviously it wasn't. They've gone through and scored, and yeah, unfortunately it's a bitter pill to swallow, but it's one that we'll dissect. We'll get together in a few days and we'll go again in 4, I think it is, on 30th.
Yeah, it's tough, and we knew it would be. Like you say, they've been undefeated here, and obviously there's a good reason for that. They're a good side, and it's an incredibly tough place to come. So we knew today was going to be a massive task. But yeah, the game was tough. Hard going on the legs. It's two grass pitches for us in a week now, which is tough going. But yeah, no, it was good. Glad for the 3 points.
You say hard going on the legs, but that's 17 league goals for yourself now.
Yes, still hard going on the legs though.